Here's a sad reminder for the times that we're living in. Here's a statement that was made, and I'll tell you afterwards who said it. Make the lie big. Keep it simple. Keep saying it, and eventually they will believe it. This is attributed to Adolf Hitler or Joseph Goebbels, which was head of their PR, both of them very evil. And the point they're making, very simple, and we see it in action all around us today. And I can give you many examples. But instead, I'm going to take you to John 8, verse 44. You are of your father the devil, and the desires of your father you want to do. He was a murderer from the beginning, and does not stand in the truth, because there is no truth in him. When he speaks, it's a lie. He speaks from his own resources, for he is a liar and the father of it. The father of lies is using his people to perpetuate lies and deception upon mankind simply and constantly until the masses believe the lie. The only way away from that is by holding on to the truth, and that truth is Jesus Christ.